You're trying to rename your WhatsApp group, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how in a very easy step-by-step tutorial, so please follow up with me. First, of course, we open the WhatsApp app, and here it is, the group that you want to rename. Now, in order to start the process, open the conversation of the group and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen right here. Once you tap there, a menu will pop up from that area. Tap on group info at the top right here. Once you tap there, again tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen and then tap on change subject. Once you tap there, you'll be taken to the screen. All you need to do now is to type in the new name of the group that you want. Once you're done, tap on OK, and just like that, the name of the group is changed successfully, as you can see here. You can do that as many times as you want, you have no limit. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very, very much for watching. See you in the next one.